And good afternoon, it's Chief Meteorologist Kurt Aaron. We're in the severe weather set. Obviously, you can see on the big screen here, got a nasty line of showers and storms that are moving through our region. That's what we're seeing. It's all part of a front. It's going to gradually work its way through, and as it does, it's bringing us these storms. So batten down the hatches. We're not done with the winds just yet. I want to go ahead and go to the boards and show you what's happening. Zoom in a little closer here on northeastern and central Pennsylvania, and there it is. Now, one thing you're going to notice, as the storm moves to the east, you can see all that lightning that's associated with it. It seems to die down a little bit as it's gradually moving east. So it's not going to be as severe as it was over central Pennsylvania and western PA, but doesn't mean we're out of the woods yet, because if you look down to the south towards Harrisburg, this is where we have some more storms trying to fire up. There's Lewistown. As a matter of fact, I've got a camera there. Let's go ahead and go to that camera, and there it is. So there's Lewistown. Again, that's just on the edge of our viewing area. Notice the flag. It's not whipping around like crazy. Out ahead of the front, the winds have been really strong. We had a 58-mile-an-hour wind gust here in our backyard. We're going to continue to see these storms gradually working their way to the east. So there you go. Closer view, just our viewing area. You can see down towards Beaver Springs and areas to the southwest of that. That's going to keep moving in a northeasterly flow because winds with this are coming up in this direction. That's what we're seeing. So that's why some of these storms that you see down towards Beaver Springs, they're going to keep moving to the northeast. So we're going to keep a close eye on those. Here they are now. We just showed you Lewistown. And again, rain coming down, but not a lot of wind as this initial line coming through. We've seen wind gusts all across northeastern and central Pennsylvania, pretty strong. So we're going to continue to track this. There's Towanda showing the potential for a little bit of hail in that one right there. And I know we heard from you folks in Renova, had some wind damage there, some at least one roof taken off. You can see that line. Folks in Muncie, get ready. This is heading in your direction. Hughesville, there's LaPorte, get ready. Dew Shore. Towanda, the heaviest rain is about to arrive there. And again, this is all moving to the east, and we're going to see that with this frontal system. We have numerous watches and warnings going on right now. Just zoom in here. Sunbury, get ready. Lewisburg, it's knocking on the doorstep. Milton, it's going to keep moving in that direction as well. Let's look at our steady wind speeds right now, because for a time, State College, steady wind speeds were at 46 miles an hour. Now you're down to 9. The line is now east of you. You can see out ahead of it, though, 20 miles an hour Mount Pocono, 16 there in Scranton, 14 in Williamsport. And just looking, this is some updated peak wind gusts that just came out as of 4 o'clock. There's 25 in Scranton, 33 in Williamsport. And we've got some video of the winds that were whipping through our backyard, which we'll share with you a little bit later on. But again, these showers and storms are going to be moving east this evening, and watch out for those gusty winds. Even if you don't have a tornado, straight line winds can still be very problematic, create a lot of damage. Just to show you an example of the wind speeds, and we talked about this during the last cut-in, you need a 28-mile-an-hour wind to move a 96-gallon trash can. That's a big trash can. 67 miles an hour to move a person. And I mentioned peak wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour are possible. Then, of course, if we start talking the potential for any tornadic activity, average car, smaller one, 90 miles. So, again, we're keeping an eye on all of this. Where are the watches and warnings now? Oh, they're sporadic all across northeastern and central Pennsylvania. We've got that tornado watch out west. That's until 7 o'clock. We have a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Luzerne up into Wyoming. Also parts of Bradford and Susquehanna County. And the brown counties that you see over eastern Pennsylvania, those are all wind advisories that have been issued by the National Weather Service. So we have those going on, plus we have the storms coming through. We're going to continue to update you, but if you live in northeastern and central Pennsylvania, the next several hours are going to be a little rough as this front moves through. So be prepared. We already had a couple of power outages here at our studio, and you may see some more. We're keeping an eye on the power outages map as well. So we'll keep you updated on all of this. Be safe, be weather aware, and we'll have more coming up on Newswatch 16 at 6.